Hello guys, welcome to my vgirlsome YouTube channel. Kung sa po vgirlsome YouTube channel so far, my name is Nandila Patel. So guys, we are all gigosical gada. Today we are looking for going just roaming here and there. Guys, we'll eat and momo. So, hello guys, na ba ya? Oh, Ruxin, eh? Guys, we'll go today Ruxin.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no.
Guys, subang tolo pag saya guys, what I will eat guys. I'm so guys or ka nga video this mo bakala dito guys, my video my screen don't look so guys mo subang nalo guys mo subang gisa po or ka gisa ngila mo ko ko guys ila kan bi guys or nga video re end sa katla dito guys mo subang sara ko. Oh guys, very nice in here too. So guys, finally puto ko guys already. I went guys kato ay pagkakanda restaurant es pa guys gapo or ka bayawu border ko lagay but so nice. Wow guys, look, wow, so nice. So guys, look, now my guys order for some eating one momo something that one guys. I think guys very tasty. We'll so let's see guys what we'll order to my sisters. Thing very nice photo guys. Look, this most nice hotel. Guys, look, this is our order one guys. Look, guys, now we'll eat already. I think will be very tasty and hot, therefore cool for small giving. Now we'll start it guys already. I think will very tasty. So guys, look and stay my one that mas I will know so it one guys ngo dikol lang kami mabo guys.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. On we'll go.
Guys, finally ngotong up to guys. Ding naman subang guys nga gomel ulat kuma and guys very tasty, so tasty who is making I don't know, very tastily making guys. That is momo salmon that wow guys, very tasty but very silly and they soap also guys. Very guys. And we go ready now, and we'll go my grandfather, grandmother house side or here. Yeah, that's over guys. Hello guys, let's go already. Guys, look, this is making Christmas tree one. Very nice look guys. Wow, and then some food here. Now we've already scooty taking sisters. Well guys, look, this market is very big and very nice. Some very nice one stars. So guys, look, this is big market. Orange In here guys, looking outside, very beautiful souls there. Guys, look in there. Christmas trees also they are making Christmas tree one, and then that is also they are very big star, very nice. In here, so tower. Charlie is always like it, it's not here. And many car also there. So guys, finally put our Ruxin get okay guys kalanka kokum ngolankan busy guys already went in Ruxin get. So guys what I am so then guys look and stay you are guys, so let's go now already. Guys, ngasubadu one side Arunachal, one side Assam. Okay, guys, Arabulukato Kankane. Guys, look in here writing no parking. In here, so no writing parking. Guys, look, wow, so nice color orange. Guys, kato sir Arunachali. Mina kato guys, kampa Kankana pa kotu modu kisine apa koela guys. Look, so nice. Wow, that's nice. Guys, untuk coba bakula di Malaka guys, dalam kato after no backside the welcome to East Siang district Arunachal Pradesh. Na guys, no coba sowung dung or ke lupa guys ngo kriya. Guys, I also go saying I don't know.